Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell below to get notified whenever I upload any new videos. And if you have already subscribed, thanks for supporting. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys what I do whenever I run out of bread at home. This recipe is similar to the pancake recipe. For this recipe, I'll be using 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, and half cup of oil. To mix everything together, I'll be using my blender. I'm going to add everything to my blender and mix. To bake this, I'll be using my sandwich toaster. Before you start baking, make sure to grease the toaster with butter so that it won't stick to the toaster. Add a little content to your toaster. Spread to cover up the space. Cover to let it bake for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, flip it over. And leave it for 1 minute. Repeat the same process until you are done. Our sandwich is ready. I eat mine with Nutella and banana. You can eat with anything you like.